Okay, we're going to have some tips on Google Sheets today for our notable Texan project. Let me just tell you, I am super excited about this project. It's going to be so cool to see all the presentations. I can't wait. Some of you picked some really neat people, and I know we're all going to learn a lot about some of our notable Texans that have helped shape the state of Texas to be what it is today. So, I've had a couple of questions about typing into this notes page. So, let's just take a look. What has happened here is that this student started typing basic information and they told me their words disappeared. The words are there, and I'm going to show you how to get them. Okay? If we look up here, there's a little FX. That's where we put formulas and things in these sheets, but that's also where our typing goes. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to try to get our pointer, our cursor, to grab a hold of this line, and then I'm going to grab the line, I'm going to click, I'm going to pull this down, so it gives me a bigger space to type, and I can see all my words are here. But they're not in the box. So now how do I get them in the box? Okay, so I've selected the box because that's where I'm working. I'm going to come back up at the top, and the three dots, when I hover over it, it says more, and I want more. So I click on that. I want to do what they call text wrapping. That's where the text gets to the line that I've put here, and then it goes back and starts a second line, kind of like the way it looks up here at the top. So, text wrapping, and then we have alignments, some different alignments we can use. I click on this, and there's three choices. The green one, the first one, it just keeps going in one solid line. I could clip it, then it would disappear. Don't do that one. I'm going to do wrap. So when I click that, now it only goes to the line. I still can't see it all. Okay? So now I'm going to grab this line underneath at the bottom of the box, okay? And I'll pull it down. That just pulls everything down, and there's all my text in the box. Okay? So, click more, wrap the text, and then you can pull the box down and make the box whatever size it needs to be. Hopefully this is going to make it a little bit easier for you to work with. You can click on text wrapping and you can make the box bigger even before you start typing up here. Okay? And then you can just click up here, start typing, it'll wrap the text, and it'll look like you want it to. So, I want you to have fun with this project, learn something, and we'll see you next week probably on Zoom when we start presenting. We are going to start presenting on the 20th, and I will send you more information on that. I'll send you an email. Okay? Have fun.